How you doing? Rob over here. Quick tip. I want to show some people just a quick way how to do some quick break evens. Um, I know there's a lot of apps on eBay. There's eBay apps and there's fee calculators and all this stuff, different kind of things. Like if you're buying something, especially if you're buying higher priced items, you're more worried about fees. I mean, if you're buying something for $1 and whatever you're going to sell it for, you're not concerned about the fees. But, if you're looking to I hear a lot of people say, oh, I want to try to double my money, triple my money. This goes for eBay, or it goes for any kind of investment, more or less. Okay? So, I'll give you an example. I wanted to buy an item that was $300 the other day. And what happened was, I sell on eBay, and when I'm buying items, I estimate about 15% for fees, because you have the 10% for eBay, and you have the 3% for PayPal. And also you're paying on the shipping, and you have monthly fees and stuff. So I estimate in the ballpark of about 15%, which I think is fair enough. So if you want to figure out your break-even point on this $300 item, which is your cost $300, okay, you have to divide by what's called the contribution margin, which is the 15% minus $1 minus 100%, which would be 85%. So that's what you're left over. Okay, so you would do 300. Let's see here. Divided by 0.85. I'm not so good with this stuff, with these. So just bear with me. So that number here says 352, 353. So in order for you just to break even, you would have to do $353. Okay. Now I see a lot of people saying, "Oh, I got to double my money. I got to. I don't know why they got to double it, but they like to double it, triple it, whatever it is. Now, what you would do is, you would do this. So say if it was that $300 item, hit 300. So double it would be 600. So plus another 300. Okay? And you still want to do the divide. Point eight. Actually, no. Gotta go back here. Okay. Equals 600. Divide by 0.85. That gives you $705.88. So you would have to sell it on eBay if you're using that platform with about 15% fees, more or less. You would have to list it for you would have to get $705 just to be able to break even. I mean, to be able to double your money on that item. All right. If anybody has any questions, just let me know. I mean, like I said, I know people probably put in the comments, "Oh, there's an app." I mean, there's special apps you can download. It will tell you all this information. But this is just quick. I mean, this is if you need. It could be any, because sometimes when you use just the preset calculators, you don't know how they get the number. So all you're doing is dividing by the contribution margin, which is the money basically, that the profit percentage that you're going to be making. And this goes for anything else. If anybody else wants to know about break-even points, if they're, for a business, you can let me know. I had a brick and mortar store, so I know quite a bit about that. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.